Hello, everybody. How are you doing? We are going to learn how to use this, that, these, and those. We use them to refer to both people and things in general in the following ways. To refer to closeness. To introduce people or to refer to people. To refer to the past or to the future. This car is my favorite. We use this because the car is close and because car is a singular noun. This is my girlfriend Kate. We use this to introduce someone who is close to us when we speak and because girlfriend is a singular noun. That is my brother. He is playing rugby with his friends. We use that because his brother is not close and because brother is a singular noun. I always remember your crazy birthday party. That is still my favorite birthday party. We use that because it is related to something in the past and because party is a singular noun. We are going to the beach this afternoon. We use this because it is related to the future and afternoon is a singular noun. These shoes are not comfortable. I want to change them. We use these because the shoes are close and because shoes is a plural noun. Those windows are dirty. We use those because the windows are not close and because windows is a plural noun. Well done, everybody. We have finished with the video for this, that, these, and those. Remember to watch the video many times so that you learn more. Also, practice a lot with the relevant grammar pages and the gap fill exercises. Good luck and happy studying.